Welcome back to the Skate a Day Challenge, besties. We've made it to 2 weeks. If you're new here, I'm Shishi, aka Bloom, aka your new skate bestie, here to give you all the cool tips and tricks that get you rolling and comfortable on your roller skates. And today, as you can see, I'm in a pretty confined and kind of small space. I don't have a lot of floor space to skate. So we're going to talk about something that you can practice in very small spaces, or you can practice them in big spaces. You can practice them inside your home, or you can practice them off of your skates. We've talked about proper stance, we've talked about going forwards, we've talked about falling, but we have not talked about transitions. When you're skating forward, you're not going to stop in the middle of skating and then turn around backwards and then start skating backwards, right? Right. We want to make sure that we know how to transition so that we can smoothly go from forwards to backwards. And I'm going to show you how you can practice that even if you're in a smaller confined space. There are plenty of transitions that you can practice. We are going to only focus on one for this challenge. We are going to focus on the open book, closed book transition, which you've probably seen or heard. We're just going to talk about the motion of that, what it is, and how to do it. Imagine you are, even if you're just walking, we're not skating, we're just walking, and someone calls your name. They go, "Hey, Bloom." I usually look back, and if they tap you on the shoulder, you turn around to look at them. Congratulations, that was a transition. All we're doing is stepping out and then bringing the other foot over. Stepping out and bringing the other foot over. But it's just open, close. Open, close. Let's talk a little bit about the weight shift. Let's talk about what's happening with your body and how you're supposed to step so that you're not overthinking what you're doing. Pick a strong leg so you can understand where your weight shift is going to be. My stronger leg is my left one. What you're going to do is you're going to put all of your weight on your strong side so that your free leg can move. All we're doing is putting all of our weight on our strong side, which is this side for me, on our strong side, so our free leg can move. Once that free leg is able to move, right in the middle of the transition, your weight is going to be centered between both legs. You're going to transfer that weight from the middle to your other leg that you just put down, and you're going to pick up the other foot and bring it around. When you're skating, you're going forward, you just go 1, 2. You're not ready to pick up your feet yet. It'll be the same thing in the same weight shift, except you're just going to pick up your toe and you're going to swing that foot around and then put it down. That's 1. And then you're going to pick up the toe on the other foot, swing that one around as you're going backwards, and then put it down. That's 2. 1, 2. So I want you to practice, and keep practicing. It's only going to get better the more that you practice. Practice it as much as you can until you absolutely get sick of it, or until it feels so natural that you don't even realize you're doing it. That's the best way and the fastest way to get better at anything that you do in skating. And also make sure that you practice doing this both sides. The strongest and the smoothest skaters are able to execute moves on both sides in both directions. So make sure that you practice that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment below and let me know how you're doing in your journey so far. See you on the skate floor, besties.